Okay, every once in a while the TreasurePro act up, start getting chatty. All you need to do is ground balance. Okay? All you have to do is hit the track button until it says tracking, pump. 6 to 12 times, the beeping will go away, and now you can go detecting. You are now ground balanced, and that will take care of the chatter. And now you can go metal detecting on the beach. Hope this helped out. Good luck and happy hunting. Okay, here I'm at the beach. I have the TreasurePro. We're set to beach mode, sensitivity of 5. Let's get all the goodies. Target. I think it's a dime. Let's get it. 5 inches. About 5 inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. All right, 1 dime into the pouch. All right, I have a miscellaneous penny signal. Let's get it. 3.5 inches. 3 inches. It's got a weird little jump to it. Shake, shake, shake. One crusty penny. I think that's a penny. Yeah, it's a penny. Into the pouch. I have a target here. Let's get it. Saying it's in the penny miscellaneous range. 5 inches. 5 inches. Shake, shake, shake. All right. 1 crunchy penny. I think it's a penny. It might be a dime. It's a penny. It's got a smooth rim. It's really pitted. Into the pouch. I have a... like another quarter signal. A little jumpy though, it's weird. All right, there it is. Boy. Like 7 inches, 8 inches. All right, right here, 8 inches. I think I've dug a quarter on the beach that deep. All right, that was definitely not 8 inches. And it stabilized to solid 83, so that's good. I think I hit it. I think I see it. Sounds like a quarter. Looks like a quarter. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a penny miscellaneous signal. Let's get it. 5.5 inches. 5 inches, 4.5 inches right there. How could I have been so off? What just happened? All right, shake, shake, shake. It doesn't sound like a penny. It sounds like a bunch of rocks. It's definitely not a penny. It looks like, what's that game called? Beyblade. Beyblade pieces. Into the pouch. I have another quarter signal. Let's get it. 5.5 inches. Four inches right here. Solid 83. I like that. Shake, shake, shake. All right, one more brown quarter. Into the pouch. I have a penny miscellaneous signal. Let's get it. Two inches. About 2.5, 3 inches right here. Should be right here, if I see it. Shake, shake, shake. One penny. Oh wow, this one's all bulging. It's pitted and bulging at the same time. It's weird. Into the pouch. I have a 26-27 nickel. $26.27 equals pull tab to me. Shake, shake, shake. One pull tab into the pouch. I have a, well, had signal. Where to go? There we are. $72, $73 dime. Four inches. 4 inches. Now that didn't sound crisp like a dime, but it's calling it a dime. That sounds better. Shake, shake, shake. All right, look at that. One green one. One green dime into the pouch. I I have a quarter signal. Solid 83. Let's get it. 2 inches. Right here. Alright, I gotta take a moment. Feels like my pouch belt came loose. It did. If I would have dug it, a pouch would have fell. Alright. Let me secure it this time. Alright. Alright, sorry about that. Hello?
You ever have any luck?
I got a quarter right here.
Okay. That's something.
I like to think so.
You got it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, there you go. Usually what you find is coins?
No. I'm lucky if it's coins.
Oh, okay. Usually a lot of trash.
A lot of shredded can parts, pull tabs and bottle caps, a lot of foil. But I pick it all up and throw it away.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. Machine's already paid for itself.
Oh yeah.
Every once in a while I'll get some jewelry, but a tab miscellaneous signal. 40s. 3940, let's get it. 2.5 inches. 2 inches right there. Can slow. I think that's it. Into the pouch. Foil signal. Solid 18. Let's get it. 3 inches. 2.5, 3 inches right here. Shake, shake, shake. Small piece of copper. 2 small pieces of copper now. Into the pouch. I have a miscellaneous signal. Penny signal. Let's get it. 1.5 inches. 1 inch. Shake, shake, shake. How about that? One more crusty penny into the pouch. All right. 1 sand tiger tooth into the pouch. Welcome to the wrap up. As you can see, I had a good day at the beach It's not often where I find more goodies than trash or scrap metal. I did find 3 quarters, 2 dimes, 4 pennies, part of a toy, and a cool sand tiger shark tooth. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.